How to add pro subscribers button in CapCut for free. Adding pro looking YouTube subscribers button in CapCut is super easy, and here's how to do it. First of all we have to do is go to any web browser and search for the free subscriber button in green screen. So here I'm going to the Safari and let's simply search for it. And once you search for it, you'll get to see a lot of sites available there. Pixabay, Pixels. All you have to do is look for green screen versions or transparent background. Tap on any you prefer from the list and you will get to see download option available there and download it to your device. So here I'm simply choosing this one. There you can see download option available, and once I download it, let's simply go to the CapCut again. And now once inside the CapCut, let's tap on the overlay option available there. Once you tap on the overlay, you'll get to see add overlay option available. Tap on it. Now browse through your gallery and tap on the green screen video you just downloaded. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the remove BG option available at the bottom. Scroll and tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you can see chroma key option available there. Tap on it again. Now here, use the eyedropper to select the green color. You can also adjust intensity and shadow sliders until the green disappears. Now you can resize the subscribe button. You can drag it to the corners. Now all you have to do is preview the video and there you'll get to see subscribe button available. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.